Alright, let's do this. Oh god. Oh, alright. Might be good. Alright, I have to try again. Alright, let's do this. Oh, be careful. Be careful, you don't want to wake up like last time. And oh! It's fine, just a severe injury. Just a severe injury. I may have lost a leg, but I'm fine. Oh! Oh, it broke the arrow. Well, oh, dang about my helmet. But, oh my god. Alright. Alright. It's gonna be normal, and normal. Come on. Alright. I do not want to know what's happening over there. But, I'm gonna go over here. And... Alright, now we're next to the level. I was around pressure. Oh, it's supposed to be doing. Okay. That's a normal. Great. Whoa. This is strange. Whoa, wait.